I'm Professor Indra Abeysekera. Let's look at what is ethnography. It's a study of social interactions, behaviors, and perceptions that occur within groups, teams, organizations, and communities from their perspectives. Ethnographer is anyone who enters the natural setting to conduct field research, where the end product is a written account of what things mean to the cultural participants in a given question or problem that's been investigated. Aim of ethnography is to provide a rich, holistic insights into cultural participants' views and actions and the nature of the locations. Sampling in ethnography is driven by selecting the natural setting and conduct the inquiry in that natural setting as a naturalistic inquiry. It could be purposive sampling. It could also be snowball sampling, depending on how the participants could be and should be identified for the study. Data collection, because it's a field study, the ethnographer or the researcher should develop trust with participants to go native with participants. The ethnographer spent a long period in the field and collect data in various ways, but it should be corroborated and validated before accepting. Data could arise from documents, field notes, through observations of practices, symbols, rituals in that cultural setting, and unstructured and informal interviews. Ethnographer should present an emic view, worldview of participants, an etic view, latent meanings uncovered from data. There are 3 dimensions to analysis: typologies, systematically classify events, actions, objects, people, or places into distinct groups. Metaphors, by asking yourself after reflecting upon data, what does this setting and social groups remind me of? What does this situation seem to be? Third, sociograms, by examining the degree of affinity or disdain participants have towards one another. In presenting findings, the meanings that were uncovered by digging below the surface by asking questions such as who, what, where, and when, and how are conceptually elaborated and descriptively detailed and presented. The findings should illuminate that which is taken for granted and which goes unspoken within that community. It should develop a rich and valuable understanding of the cultural meanings of practices and interactions. It should disprove negative biases or stereotypes about the population in question. It should provide insight into aspects of social lives, including perception, values, which other research methods are unable to capture.